What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to try to reshape my motorcycle seat. It's not going to be 100%. I'm just basically trying to get my feet a little closer to the ground. So let's get into the video. This is my 2000 Suzuki Hayabusa seat, and I'm going to try to attempt to cut it and take a few inches out of the foam to make it lower. You could kind of see an outline. It should be like that on both sides. I had a seat cover over this, so I'm going to try and follow that and take some of this foam out. But I'm going to start off taking the staples out up underneath, and I'll get back to you when I got them all out. So I got most of the staples removed. All I did was took a flathead, just went under and twisted, pried up one side, and then I just pull them out with my needle nose pliers. For those who are trying to cut their seat, I'm going to try to do this the best way I could. Also, if you are interested in changing your seat cover or putting a new design on, this would be the time to do so. So this is my ideal of how I'm cutting my seat. I pretty much eyeballed it. Use a pencil. And then on the side, I came down. Obviously, I'm going to cut out more cushion here because my legs are short. And with all the cotton on the side, it takes away from the ride height. And the same on this side. So now, I'm just kind of come in and concave the seat to my liking, not to take too much off. But I'm gonna try my electric fillet knife, and I'm just gonna go come down about an inch and curve up. But I'm gonna take more out here because when I straddle the bike, there's so much cotton on the side or foam that if it comes skinnier, my legs can come closer together, and I should be able to get a little bit more foot plantation on the ground. So this is what my seat look like. It's not 100%, but you got the width of what I'm trying to do. Believe it or not, there's still a lot of cushion on there. This is the other side. Push down. Still got a lot of cushion. Still got a lot of cushion, so I'm gonna just get some sandpaper, try to clean it up. So this is what my seat look like. Sat down, I use 80 grit. I'm not gonna go 100%. Really don't make a difference to me. But got it kind of low on the sides and higher in the middle. That's what it look like from the front. That's the other side. Now all I gotta do is just stretch my seat cover back over it, put the staples in. Okay, so here's my seat. This is what it looked like finished. Like I said, it's not 100%. So now I'm gonna put some glue on it and try and stretch it and lay it down as best as I could. And then I'll put some staples around the edge, and I'll bring y'all back when I get that done. So this is my finished project. Like I said, it's not going to be 100%. That's my first time ever doing this. This is not for show. This is just so I can get closer to the ground. Get my feet planted. I mean, if I take the heat gun, heat it up a little bit more, and stretch the material out, I'm pretty sure I can get all these wrinkles out. But you'd be sitting on a seat most of the time anyways. But that's it. Smooth up here because obviously I didn't cut the material. But yeah, that's it.